Hello and welcome to this Fastrac how-to video. Today I'm going to take you through the four-wheel steer controls. Let's take a look. The tractor has three steering programs: four-wheel steer, two-wheel steer and user mode. In user mode, the operator can select an individual steer mode for various tasks. To go into the four-wheel steer settings, first go into the main tractor settings page, then select the four-wheel steer user mode icon. These are proportional, four-wheel steer true track, where the rear wheels follow the tracks of the front, which is great for tramline work, crab steer, four-wheel steer delay, where the front wheels can turn to a preset percentage before the rear wheels turn. This is great for ploughing or cultivating. When the tractor exceeds 25 km/h in four-wheel steer or user mode, the system will automatically engage two-wheel steer and lock the rear axle. When the speed reduces below 25 km/h, the rear axle will unlock to the previous steer mode. You should always select two-wheel steer mode when travelling on a public road. Thank you for watching this Fastrac how-to video. Please remember, always refer to your operator's manual for more details. Join us again next time for another Fastrac how-to.